Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to wash blueberries without dropping any berries into the sink, okay? Okay, watch this. Blueberry package, and it's got holes everywhere. Bottom, top. And this is how you wash your berry without losing any berries. You know how you wash your berries? It keeps dropping into the sink, right? So this is how you do it. See those holes? Yeah, just shake it. Look at it. All sides. There you go. That's how you wash your berry. And they put holes in these containers for a reason. Look at that. Look at that. How clean that is. Huh? And that's how you clean your berries.